What's up, guys? You're welcome to Forex Talk Tech. So this is Colin Silva right here, and you can see my trades running USDCHF and everything is blues. Yeah, just as you can see. So I'm gonna show you on this video how I took this trade. Yes, one by one, I'm gonna show you how I took this trade so that you also learn from them. Okay, so now this is USDCHF first trade which I took not quite long. Look at it, starting from 4-hour time frame. It's quite beautiful. We'll have a breakout here of this. You know, there is a resistance level here, so you can see how price has been rejecting it. Just a simple structure, you'll be able to get a trade. A simple break of this resistance level here, and then price pushed up back for a retest. You can see there is sign of weakness of buyers here. Buyers are getting weaker here. You can see the kind of candlestick pattern that we're not getting. So buyers are not getting weaker here, so which means sellers are ready to take this market back to the downside. One, I'm following the concept of market structure, which is market giving lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. You can see, so price has given a lower low and is expected to give a lower high, then we'll fire again to the downside. That's just it. Then look at the 1-hour time frame, still the same concept. Daily time frame also still on a downtrend, so that's why I'm getting in for that sell. Second position, AUDUSD, which is almost about to touch my TP, first TP right now. The same concept on 4-hour time frame, guys. So simple. Lower lows, lower high. I just follow the trend. I love following the trend. Let me tell you, if you follow the trend, you will be right 85% times. Like 85% trend following traders always win 85%. You understand? That's what I understand. So low, we got a lower low here, we got a lower high, a lower low, lower high, low. So this is that last low, and then lower low. So price pushed up. We also see candlestick pattern showing weakness of buyers here. They are unable to take this market up again, so that means price should start selling. First TP 100% retracement. First TP has just been taken, guys. So first TP 100% retracement, while we expect price to come give a new lower low. That's just it. And if you use Fibonacci, this is the correct sell zone for AUDUSD. So first TP has been taken out on USD, the beautiful one. So the next trade, which is GBPUSD, okay, being on this trade also, guys, everything is just same concept, lower lows and lower high, just following the trend. One will have a downtrend, two, this is our high, this is our low. If you put your Fibonacci to give you a sign, and also sellers start taking over from this point. You can see weakness of buyers on this area, so price give a lower low, so price should give a lower high and then give a new lower low. Price has broken this one. This makes me very much relaxed, because I know price has given me a lower low, so price may want to retrace for a lower high again and then continue further to the downside. If you look at it from daily time frame, this is a very strong support level, so I'm just going to trade my stop loss in case market wants to like get its rejection from here. And if you check this trend line, price has broken this trend line to the downside, so I'll expect it to still drop. But however, I've taken partial profit on GBPUSD and I'll trade my stop loss accordingly. So that's just it, guys. Simple system of trading. So the next one is NZDCAD. NZDCAD is a very long-term trade that I have taken right here. If I show you from weekly time frame, you're going to understand it perfectly. From weekly time frame, guys, it's so clear. Have this trend line here which NZDCAD is expecting, and I like the swing move of low high, lower low, lower high, lower low again at this point. So gave a lower high. What do you expect, guys? A lower low, as simple as that. So my first level target for NZDCAD from the weekly time frame is this point for NZDCAD. That's my first level target. Check it from daily time frame. That's still the same way I'm expecting it to be. 4-hour candle, you can see what it's doing. My stop loss is here and I sold it from here, so I'm expecting guy to drop down. This is still my first level target, but from 4-hour time frame, I'll be using this as first level target based on 100% retracement law. You get, so that's just the reason I explain the reason for my entry here, especially on weekly time frame. This movement, lower low and lower high, so I'm just still following the trend on weekly time frame. So that was why I got that sell for NZDCAD. USDCHF, also a beautiful trade here. Look at it, following the trend, price giving higher highs and higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. If I put my Fibonacci to from swing high, let me just do that here, from that is from this swing low to the swing high. Okay, sorry, from the swing low to swing high gives me a good reason for the sell. First level target for this guy is the 100% retracement level, which is from this low to this high, then low again, could give me a new high. Plotting my fib to from here, so from swing low, stretch it up, swing high. You can see price got into the 0.61 and then candle closed above it, just exactly at this point. So I took my buy from there, and then price fired all the way to the upside. But however, I'm conscious of this area here, this area, there's something that might happen around that region there. Then also from daily time frame, you can see there was a change of character clearly here, because price gave a lower low and then gave a lower high, lower low, you can see, but then price fired up and closed above this low, which means there is a change of character. So it's expected for price to come give a low, that is a lower high, and then fire up for a higher high, since there is a change of character here. So that's why I got into this buy from the 4-hour time frame. Daily time frame already showed me that it's gonna buy based on there is a change of character. So I came down to lower time frame, 4-hour time frame, and got that sweet buy from there, and that's what I'm still enjoying till now. And you can see on 1-hour time frame we got an inverse head and shoulder around here. So that inverse head and shoulder is currently playing out, which will definitely push this market to at least around this area. So that's just it. But from daily time frame, looking at the market from daily time frame, I'm expecting it to push even above this previous point and go higher. So which other index, sorry guys, this is gold. So gold, I took on gold yesterday. This is my take profit level at this trend line. I'm expecting gold to buy even further as soon as it touches the trend line. That's why my take profit is there. So we'll just watch gold again. Gold from 4-hour time frame, very much self-explanatory. Look at it. Gold is still bearish, lows, lower high. Gold pushed around to this place, this green candle here, which you call order block, right? So gold pushed around here. For me, it is just clearly following market structure, which is continuously giving lower lows and lower highs, right? Then gold starts showing sign of weakness of this buy. You can see giving us candlesticks, rejection candlesticks. A lot of candles were rejecting for a whole day. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles were rejecting just around here. That makes that level a very strong resistant level. So the best thing to anticipate is that gold should drop from there to at least this 100% retracement level. So we kept on seeing some pattern even at that retracement point, that retracement region, which is here. So gold gave formed a double top pattern, pushed up again for a retest, came back down. So this already gave a sign for selling. So started shorting it from there, stop loss above it, and then gold moved all the way like this, you can see. So I've taken partial profit on gold as well. What I'm waiting for gold is to break this low, this current low, and then move to my TP. That's just it, guys. So that is all for now. Those are the trades that I've taken, and those are the reasons why I took the trade. So you can just get into your chart and start looking out for this same thing. Just to recap, trend following trades, like trading in the direction of the trend, they have a 85% win rate, trust me, than you trying to catch reversals. It is easier to trade the trend. That's just it, guys. So put in these things that you've grabbed from this video and then put them into your chart, and then start practicing, and then start making money with it. So I hope you guys have learned something from this. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Drop a good comment. Let me know which kind of video you guys want me to drop next. Thank you very much. For Telegram, to join our Telegram group, the link is at the description of this video. And if you want to create a trading account, make sure you use the link at the description of this video to create a Deriv account so you can start